Well, what does this look like? Does this look like England? Because it is England. And there is Jasmine. So you've not seen Jasmine in a very long time. She and I are going off today to tell them where we're going. Bali. We're going to Bali, which feels huge. It feels massive. It's been the place that I've had on my wish list for I don't know how long. So hi, my name's Louise. If you're new here, it's lovely to see you. Come along with us on our Bali adventures. This is a travel day video. Now, we've been doing these videos since 2009, haven't we? These vlog style travel videos. Yeah, when she was just a little girl, and now she's grown up woman. So we've got lots of adventures coming up, so I hope you'll follow along. We like to try and give you as many tips as we can, but we're just getting some steps in before we get on a very long flight. We've got, I think it's 6 hours to Dubai, and then about another nearly 10 hours from Dubai to Bali. Yeah, like I said, it's been my number one place since forever. So let's go. We've just arrived at departures. Gatwick. We're at Gatwick. So this is Jasmine, in case I didn't mention that. I think I did already mention that. Yeah, departures. So we've got a very long flight ahead. So we're a bit early, aren't we? But it's going to be good. We are flying with Emirates. We've never done that before. That's going to be a brand new experience for us. Oh, there comes the little shuttle that we was just on down there. So very excited. So we're going to go check in now with Emirates. We have got a rewards point that we weren't able to log on, so we have actually checked in. We're just going to ask them to help us with that. Go on, Jasmine, be strong. So we've just dropped off our bags with the Emirates people. We've got an Emirates ticket, which is just amazing. That was always the dream. So we're going to go through customs now, which obviously you can't film in there, and then a little bit of shopping. Okay, this is finally finished. You might remember. Hang on, Jazz, can we go down the other one? You might remember that this has been under construction for ages. It's finally done. So we got our little duty free that we needed, desperately needed, and we're in a nice bright airport lounge. Not airport lounge, airport. Here's our plane. It's massive. Look at that. Wow. Let's go find out. So we feel like we've already been travelling for ages, don't we? Look, it's all gone a bit wrong. But we're just waiting to board the plane now, and it's a big one. We're tired. We're going to watch a film, aren't we?
Yeah.
Watch a film and eat our dinner and then get some sleep. This was the first time Jasmine and I had ever flown with Emirates, and we tried to get the 2 seats together rather than have a 3 or more. But this particular flight we weren't able to, so we had a 3. The others are all on a 2, so you'll get what I mean in a second. But just to show you what you get here, you get plug sockets so you can charge your phone while you're there, and you get a USB as well, and there is a free.
Don't want to say anything, but fingers crossed. Everyone knows this feeling of like waiting to see. Hopefully, if it's free, I'm going to get a really good sleep.
So we're loving these seats because they've got these nice little headresty bits on as well, and we have got an empty seat next to us, so we're definitely winning that life. Okay, so my food has arrived. Now I did order a gluten-free meal, but for some reason it didn't end up coming. But they very kindly made me some food, which is really nice, but some of this I can't have. So thankfully, obviously I know what I'm talking about to a degree. There's some cheese and some butter and a potato salad. And they made me another nice salad there. Don't know if there's a few bits there I can have. They've got a nice cute little bottle of water. This I can't have, and they also got me an apple. So I really appreciate their effort. It was really kind. Jess has got her dinner. Lamb biryani or something like that. Yeah. So I've just come to clean my teeth. I'm not able to get much sleep or anything like that, but I just want to show you around the toilet because it's insane. It's really, really posh. So everything's got lighting. Wouldn't it? It's cute. took my own toothbrush and toothpaste, although we did get given one on the Emirates flight as well. Don't forget to take your water with you when you're brushing your teeth in the loos there. Yeah, so it was a really great flight. Very, very impressed with the Emirates. Oh, that feels so much better. So we've got another couple of hours to go on this flight. I haven't really managed to sleep very much, but I think Jazz and I can watch a film, and then we've got a little transfer before our next flight starts, the longer one as well, but that'll be all good. As we were landing in Dubai, I did manage to see the Burj Khalifa for the first time, but the video of it was just terrible. Anyway, we had a very short stopover time there. It was just over an hour and a half. So we had to get from one side of Dubai airport to the other, which was really, really long. So we've got some lovely shops here. We was hoping for the Dubai chocolate, but we don't know if we've actually got time because we need to catch our other flight and we haven't got very long to get there, but if we see one we'll get some because it's famous Dubai chocolates right now. Oh, we'll get a train. I think it's 15 minutes or something. Feeling a little bit like Cara and Nate right now. You know, you always see them running through the airport, don't you, to catch their next flight. But a massive airport, very impressive. Oh, it would be nice to have a look around. Do plan to come back and explore Dubai some other time. So we're now getting on a train, not this one, the next one. The trains we got from one side of the airport to the other were actually really nice. So it was very easy to get around. It was all well signposted, so it wasn't difficult at all. Then we had to get on a little coach to go. It was about 15 minutes drive, which was crazy. We kept going past all these Emirates planes thinking, oh, is that our one? Is that our one? And no, they weren't. But we did see some interesting things on the way round. And it was nice to be sort of semi in Dubai for a little while. Really sunny. Getting on this plane. Oh. Yeah, they would have been nice, wouldn't they? We were delighted to be on the Airbus A380. It was an amazing plane and we did have our just two seats, our twin seats together. When we was taken on board, we were given this little package, which makes a brilliant pencil case. It has a bookmark in it, a pair of socks, which you can wear on the plane if you'd like to, an eye mask, some earplugs, and a toothbrush and toothpaste, which was very handy to use. I love the way that when it got to night time again, there was little stars in the sky. Absolutely beautiful.
Ladies and gentlemen, turn out in Bali, please press your seat and make sure your bag is on the seat in front of you and the headlock.
As we started to approach Bali, we saw some thunderstorms. I can't recommend Emirates enough. They were really brilliant service on board. Thank you, bye. Bye. Thank you very much. We walked past the business class again and wondered when it's going to be our turn next. Then we were in Bali airport before you know it, and it was very easy for us to check through. It's baggage time. We've gone through customs. It was so easy because we did everything electronic. You look really fresh. I don't know how.
I don't feel it.
So we just had to scan our passport because everything else was done electronically. So it's got such a different vibe feeling here already. Excited for that. Just waiting for Jasmine's suitcase. Thankfully we've got the air tags in, so I was able to locate it, and I knew that they were both in Bali, so that's amazing. There's a few more coming up now, so that's exciting. She's going to get a drink and then we're going to go meet our driver. Ready? Let's go. Where is it? I might have to message him, I'm not sure. Oh, that's hot. Oh yeah, look, it's so pretty. How cute. Shit, that's hot. Didn't really realise. Starbucks. Oh, hello, happy days. Happy days. You ready? It's meant to Bali. Oh, I love that. Oh, so sweet. Oh, thank you. Look at that. It's gorgeous, isn't it? All right, my love. Yeah, let's go. Look at all these people waiting. He'll be able to spot us easy. When we left Gatwick Airport, we took a picture of ourselves and the clothes that we were wearing and sent it to our driver so that he knew exactly what to look out for as he was looking for us, because we couldn't see him amongst all the sea of faces. Oh my god, there's so many pickups. It's crazy. Hey! Hello!
Welcome to Bali.
Thank you. It's a little bit Bangkok vibes here right now. Busy. Very hot. He is doing our suitcases. What a star, thank you. Nice cold bottle of water. Perfect. Oh, I like the way I look right now.
Sweaty. Nice.
Got my head over water.
Already we were trying to get used to all the different feelings and thoughts and smells and temperature that was so different from home. Even the inside of the car was steamed up where it was so humid. Just arrived and it's really, really late. Oh, really, really hot, really stormy. Loads of trees everywhere. Good. Huh?
You've got a light.
This is nice. Wow. Okay, it's time to get the feet up. They got a bit swollen after that flight and surprisingly tired considering how much we slept on the plane. But here we are under our little nets ready to get some rest. So I'll end this travel day video now and make sure that you stay tuned and subscribe and put the notifications on so you don't miss out on the other bits and bobs. Tomorrow morning we're going to get up and we're going to go for breakfast down at Bingham Beach, which is in Uluwatu, which is where we're staying. And I will also put a little video up to show you where we're staying. So I look forward to seeing you then. Thanks for traveling with us and bye-bye for now. So that's the way we've just climbed down, which is a little bit scary, so worth it. So we can hear the crashing waves. We've got a little bit more climbing to do over there. And then hopefully we can go and get our breakfast at the lovely place. Oh, she's in. Hey, nice.